Hello everyone, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Volcanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be installing a backup alarm on my Chevy Silverado. And the reason why I'm doing that is because, in the last year or so, I've almost gotten into a fender bender and or run over pedestrian in a parking lot. Now, for those of you that have been to like a Costco or something like that, and there's like groups of people that kind of walking down the driveway there, and you're trying to back out of a stall. Sometimes these folks don't pay attention, and then when you're backing out, you almost get into an accident. You almost run someone over, same goes for a car that's trying to back out of a stall. You're backing out at the same time. So, a backup alarm will solve that issue. So let's take a look and see what we got to work with today. Okay, so this is what we got to work with today. This is the ECCO 500 series backup alarm. This one here is specifically the model 530. I'll have a link in the description below where you can get this. I got this off of Amazon. It runs like about $30 or so, and very surprising because the reviews on this thing is actually pretty good. This is what it looks like. I mean, very surprising that this backup alarm, this little itty bitty guy, just kind of fits in the palm of your hand. Now it's got this composite material, plastic housing, which is pretty thick, pretty solid, and then it's filled with resin there to keep the moisture out, keep it waterproof. And installation is really simple. You got these two posts here. This top post here is your positive, and this is your negative. You notice that there's a tab right here, so you get your negative or your ground connection when you are fastening the alarm to the frame. So either or, you can either run a separate wire if you're gonna install this in an area where there's no raw metal, or you could use a tab here if you're gonna go into the frame. Now this alarm. Now, the sound is about 102 decibels. They're claiming that it's that loud. So when we're done with the installation, I'll give you a sampling of what it sounds like. Now, what also comes with the alarm is a little instruction sheet here. It kind of goes over the different ways of installing the backup alarm. So you can either install it by getting your positive current from your reverse lights. So whenever you put your car into reverse, when your reverse light turns on, it'll power up the backup alarm. Now this is every time now. So every time you put in reverse, it'll go off. Or you could do it on the reverse switch, which is, you could do it straight to the fuse panel. The way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to just put a toggle switch on there so I can turn the alarm on whenever I need to. It kind of makes no sense for me to have the alarm on if I'm the only one in the parking lot. So I'm going to wire it that way, and I'll show you how I'm going to go about doing that. Okay, so before we get started, here's a couple of things that you're going to need with the to do the installation. So what we got here is you're going to need some primary wire, and 16 gauge, 16 to 18 gauge would be just fine. I got some mounting cable tie mounting bases. This is for when I route the wire underneath the frame. A couple of these female connectors, this splicer right here, and a rocker switch. Now this I got from AutoZone. They go for like about $9 or so. And also, what I consider to be a must is this wire loom. This just hides that wire so it's not exposed, so it gives it a really clean look. You guys have seen me use this a lot in a lot of my installations, and it really does clean up the install. So, and with that said, let's start organicing. Okay, so we got it installed. So, this right here is the ground. I decided just to run an extra wire on there, just to make sure I got good contact. And then the positive is here to the wire loom. And I got it kind of running along the rails towards the back there. So again, pretty clean installation. Sorry, it's a little blurry, a little bit dark, but you guys get the gist of it. Okay, now for the switch side, I mounted the switch right here next to my train horn switch. And so this would be the backup alarm. So all I did was just tap into my my rock lights switch here, the positive. So if I click this on, and my rock lights on. Click that off. So I just kind of ran it through, and it doesn't take that much power, and chances are I probably won't have my rock lights on while I'm doing the backup alarm. So all I did was take this little splicer right here and just splice into the positive. So this is the source that goes into the rocker switch, and then the other part is routed through the boards here, kind of underneath, all up in here, all the way towards the back. So, yikes, okay, we're a little bit focused, we can't really see much, but let me turn on the rock lights here. So, here we go with the rock lights, see it much better. So, It's coming from all the way back here. And it's routed all the way up here. All the way straight to the back. To right up there. So let's let me do a quick sampling of it. All right, gang. Well, this wraps up another video. This is the ECCO Model 530 backup alarm install on my Silverado. You can install these on any pickup truck, and from what you just heard, the recording doesn't do it justice. I mean, it sounds like a commercial backup alarm, like you'd hear on a semi truck or a tow truck or something like that. It's pretty loud at 102 decibels. So I'll have a link in the description below for the items that I used. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop me a line down in the comment section. If you guys like the content, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's your Hawaiian Mechanic. Aloha.